If you are managing a plant nursery, then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for a plant nursery. So as an owner of a plant nursery, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages from different clients and customers related to plant inquiries, offers and discounts on my plants and flowers, as well as plant and flower care tips. Manually handling each of the messages is a time-consuming and a difficult process. Therefore, I have decided to set up a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow that is going to handle all my WhatsApp messages as well as automate responses. Do you know, we are going to create this entire WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills, and it is going to automate entire WhatsApp messages as well as replies. Now, if you also want to learn this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step for your plant nursery, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your plant nursery with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So as an owner of a plant nursery, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages from my customers on regular basis. And in order to handle these messages, I have decided to create a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to send automated responses to each of my messages which I am receiving from my customers or clients, whether the messages are related to plant inquiries, offers on the plants, or plant care tips. My chatbot is going to handle all of them. First of all, let me show you that how this chatbot is actually going to work. Let's say when a customer is going to send a message from my plant nursery such as, "Hello, may I know about your nursery?" When I'm going to send this message, you can see that I got a reply. "Hello, welcome to Green Roots Plant Nursery. Before we proceed further, may I know your name?" When I'm going to send a name, again, it is addressing me with my name and asking me for the email. As soon as I'm providing the email, here it is communicating with me with some buttons. When I'm going to select any of the button, here it is providing me the details. So in this way, the flow is actually going to start. Now, I'm going to show you that how you can create this entire chatbot for your plant nursery by your own without any coding or programming skills. For that, we have to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's get started. This is the home page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/chatflow/INR. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this green button for sign up free. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month in order to explore Pabbly Chatflow and create amazing chatbots for your business requirements. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create the chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards a dashboard of our Pabbly Chatflow account. From the dashboard, we can manage all the credits which are allotted to us, the credits which we have consumed, and the pending or the remaining credits all at one place. Now, with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we can create amazing chatbots. Apart from this, we have some other amazing features as well. So as you know, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps you to create flows and WhatsApp chatbots for your business to automate the replies and the inquiries of your WhatsApp. But apart from this, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well that we are going to discuss before creating the WhatsApp chatbot. So over here you can see we have multiple other features. Although we have created separate video tutorials for each of these features, and we have explained each of the feature in detail in those videos. So if you want to learn more about them, you can just go and watch the videos on our channel. I'm also going to explain each of the feature in brief to you. So here, first of all, we have the inbox feature, which helps you to manage all your received as well as sent messages at one place. If you're using Pabbly Chatflow for your business, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web again and again to check for the sent or the received messages. You can just track your messages from here as well. Apart from this, from here, you can see the status of your messages as well, whether it is sent, delivered, or read by the customers. Then we have the contact section, where you can create separate contact lists of your customers, clients, or your leads on the basis of their specific requirements or preferences, and then you will be able to send them the messages separately on the basis of their requirements. Then we have the team queue section, with the help of which you can assign chats to your team members. If you are having different services, different clients for different services, you can assign different kind of clients or customers according to their preferences or choice to different team members. And then also you can track the performances of your team members from here, and you will be able to increase the productivity of your organization as well as team collaboration. Then we have the templates section where you will be able to create customized and creative templates, that too in the personalized format, to be sent to your customers, clients or leads. And also you can use variables over here in this template. Apart from this, in the template you can send documents, videos, medias and much more. Then we have broadcast section where by using which you can send mass messages to different lists which you have created in contact section, and in this way you will be able to send messages to multiple clients of different requirements by using templates. Then finally we have the flow section where we are going to create WhatsApp chatbots to automate our WhatsApp communications. So here now let's get started to create a flow for our plant nursery. In order to start the process of the flow, you have to click on this add flow button. As we will do that, a blank flow is created for us. First of all, we have to give a title to the flow. So here I'm going to give a title to my flow as Green Roots WhatsApp Chatbot. So I have a plant nursery with the name as Green Roots, and I'm creating the WhatsApp chatbot to manage my plant nursery. Therefore, I've given the name. Now, after giving the name to your workflow, how you're going to start it? Your flow is going to start whenever you're going to receive certain messages from your customers related to the inquiries or for asking any of the detail about your plant nursery. And in those messages, you are going to match certain keywords. If the keywords are going to be matched, then automatically your flow is going to start every time, and it is going to start responding to the conversations of your clients or customers. So you have to identify some of the common keywords which could be received to you through your customers or through your clients in the form of messages, and you have to enter those keywords over here to start your flow. So let's say some of the common keywords which I could receive as messages from my customers are hello. So how you're going to enter the keywords, you will enter the word which you think could be your keyword, and you are going to put your cursor over there on the word, and you will click like that, and you can see that the word is going to turn into blue and it will be added as a keyword. The next keyword is here, you can see hey, then we have hi, or we can have plants, or let's say we can have flowers, or we can have offers, or n number of possibilities are there in order to add the keywords. But now here we have a condition. When you are going to add the words like this in the keyword section, whenever you are going to receive exact words, only the exact words, then only your flow is going to start. But it might happen in most of the cases that your customers or your clients are not going to send exact words to you, but they are going to send you a conversation in the form of a long paragraphs or a long text. So you need to identify your keywords in those text messages or those paragraphs or those big lines, and then also you want to start your flow. It's not that only when you will receive an exact word, your flow should start. You want that when text messages are going to receive, if those text messages contains the keywords which are the possibilities, then your flow should start automatically. In that case, you have to enter your keywords in the form of regex. Now, what is regex? Regex is actually regular expressions. So whenever you're going to receive certain keywords directly or indirectly in the form of messages, regex is going to identify those keywords and it is going to match the keyword and start the flow automatically. So here we have a particular format to be entered in the regex. How you're going to use regex? For that, you will enter with a slash b, small b, and you will open a bracket. Then you will enter all the keywords which you think could be received to you as messages from your customers or clients, such as hello, hi. So here, first of all, you will enter the first keyword. You will use this slash, and then you will enter the next keyword to separate it like that. Again. Then here again, I'm going to enter another keyword such as plants. And in the similar manner, I have multiple such keywords which I'm going to enter in the form of regex. So here I have entered hi, hello, start, plant, nursery, or the name of my nursery as Green Roots, help, offer, shop, care, support, or inquiry. I have entered all the possible keywords which I could receive. And now I'm going to close the bracket. Again, I'm going to enter slash and b, and my regex is ready. So every time I'm going to receive a message from my customers or clients, either they are exact words, exact keywords, or they are long text. So automatically the keywords are going to be matched, and then my flow is going to start. Now, apart from this, in case if you are receiving any case sensitive keywords, you can turn this case sensitive button on. It will help you to identify your keywords easily even if they are case sensitive. Now, how we are going to move forward as soon as we are going to receive a message from our customer or a client related to any inquiry along with the keywords, our flow is going to start. Then what you want to do? I want to ask a name of my customer. So in order to get the name, I'm going to send them a question. So here, to send a question to the customers, you have to select ask question option from actions. You have to drag it down like this and you have to connect your flow start step with this question. Then you have to enter the message what you want to ask. I want to ask the name. So I'm going to select. So I'm going to enter the message as, hello, welcome to Green Roots Plant Nursery. Before we proceed further, may I have your name please? And now to collect the name, I'm going to select one of my custom fields, that is full name. And I'm going to select the format of this custom field as text. If you want to provide any attempt that in case if they are going to send wrong spelling or wrong name, they can just reattempt and make the changes in the name. You can also provide the number of attempts and the validation message which you want to send along with this number of attempt to the customer. I'm ignoring these fields, and over here you can see that as I've selected full name, when I'm going to receive the name of my customer as a reply, that name is going to be automatically added in the contact field of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and that person will be added as a contact. And further in my communications with that same person, I will be able to address them with their name. Now, after collecting the name of my customer, I also want to get their email so that I will be able to send them email campaigns related to further updates of my plant nursery. I will be able to send them the offers, new product launches, and etc. So for that, once again, I'm going to add another question in my flow, and the question will be to collect the email. Thank you. Could you please share your email so we can send you exclusive updates and care guides? Also here you can see that the name of my contact custom field, I've entered it over here so that I can send the further messages along with the name of the customer which they have replied. And because I have used a $sign over here, it has become variable. So every time I'm going to receive a new customer's message, automatically when they are going to reply me with their name, further communications are going to be sent along with their own name if I'm going to use the full name contact field like this along with a $sign. Now here again, the contact custom field which currently I want is email. So here I'm going to select the contact field as email and the type will be email. Now further, when I'm going to receive all the details which I want from my customer, I'm going to provide them the details of my store, and I'm going to provide them some options which they can select. So I'm going to send them a text message like this. So my message is, welcome to Green Roots, your friendly neighborhood plant nursery. How can I assist you today? Please choose an option below, and I'm going to send them options with the help of button so that they do not have to reply. They can just select the button and send me the reply. So first option is for in case if they want to browse the plants which we are offering. The second option will be for plant care tips if they want to know about the tips to care their plants. And the third option is for offers and discounts which we are running on our plants and flowers. Now, for each of these buttons, I'm going to send separate messages. So first of all, if in case the customer or the client is going to click on this button, browse plants, they want to browse the plants from our nursery. In that case, I'm going to send them a message. Explore our beautiful plant collection. Choose a category to begin. So if they want to browse the plants, I'm going to ask them that which kind of category they want to explore. We have multiple categories of plants. So first button will be for indoor plants, whether they want to go for indoor plants. Then we have outdoor plants over here, or we have flowering plants as well. So these are the three categories of plants which we provide. Now, if they want to browse the plants, they are going to select which kind of plants they want to look for. If in case they are going to select indoor plants, then I'm going to send them another message that how they can go and explore indoor plants and sell and purchase them. So here we have our top indoor picks for you, and these are the three plants which we are providing as indoor: Areca palm, snake plant, and ZZ plant. Then we have shop now option. So if they want to purchase any of these plants, they can go on the nursery store link and then they can purchase the plant from there directly. Now, if they want to go back towards the menu, I'm going to add another button over here, and I'm going to connect this back to menu button with my menu section, whether they want to explore indoor plants, outdoor plants, or flowering plants. Then in case if they want to explore outdoor plants, again I'm going to provide them which kind of outdoor plants we provide. Looking for outdoor greens, try these. So I've provided certain outdoor plants which we provide in our nursery, and also the link from where they can purchase the plants. Again, if they want to go back towards the menu, I'm going to add the button. And I'm going to add this button with the menu message. Now, apart from this, if they want to go for the flowering plants, so again, I'm going to send them a message. Brighten your space with colors. We have rose, jasmine and marigold. And if they want to purchase it, again, we have the nursery's link. Again, I'm going to add the button back to menu. All right, and I'm going to connect this button with the menu message. So we have completed the flow for the first option when the customer wants to explore about the products. In case after this, if the customer wants to go and explore the plant care tips, they want to know about the care tips so that they can take care of their plants. So I'm going to send them the care tips, and I'm going to also attach the blog link where we are uploading new blogs related to plant care tips. So here is the message. Here are some plant care tips. Sunlight, indirect light is best for indoor plants. And here I'm going to make it bold. You can also customize and format your messages in the flow according to your choice. You can make it more creative. Then we have watering, and then allow soil to dry slightly before watering. And then here we have to take care of the soil. Also, we have fertilizer details and much more. And we have also provided the website link where we are going to upload more tips and more tips in the form of blogs. Again, in case if they want to go back to the main menu, they can just click on this button, and here it is going to take them towards the main menu section. Now again, we have the last option of offers. So if the customer wants to explore about the discounts or offers we are running on our plants and flowers. So here I have given, check out our exclusive offers: buy 2 get 1 free indoor plants, 20% off on medicinal plants, free potting soil on orders above $9.99. Grab the deals on the store. Again, so here we have created the entire flow. As you can see, as we have created the flow, let's save it quickly. And now every time we are going to receive certain keywords from the customers as messages regarding the inquiries or offers, automatically the flow is going to start, and it is going to handle all the inquiries and the messages of our customers and clients automatically. Once we have completed the flow, I'm going to take you towards my WhatsApp to check whether the flow is running fine or not and whether the chatbot is working. So this is the WhatsApp number by using which I am running my Pabbly Chatflow account, and I have created the chatbot for my plant nursery. So as a customer, I'm going to send a message on this WhatsApp number. Let's say, hello. Hello, I want to order some indoor plants for my garden kitchen. And I'm going to send this message. So here you can see that we have received the message. Hello, welcome to Green Roots Plant Nursery. Before we proceed further, may I know your name, please? So here I'm going to send the name as, let's say, Smart User. Thank you, Smart User. Could you share your email so we can send you exclusive updates? I'm going to provide the email as well. Then it is saying, welcome to Green Roots, your friendly neighborhood plant nursery. How can I assist you today? Please choose an option below. So let's say I'm going to select browse plants. As I've done that, it is asking me which kind of plants would I like to explore. So I'm going to select, let's say, flowering plants. And it is providing me the details of flowering plants which they provide, and also the shop link. When I'm going to click on back to menu, it is taking me again on the options of the plants. So let's say I'm going to select indoor plants. Or let's say this time I want to select plant care tips. So it is providing me the plant care tips, and also when I'm going to click on back to main menu, it is taking me towards the main menu where I can also select the offer button, and as I have clicked on offer button, it is providing me the offers. So this means our flow is ready. So our chatbot is working absolutely fine. It is ready. It is created successfully without any coding and programming skills. And now once we have set it up, every time we are going to receive the messages from our customers, our WhatsApp chatbot is going to handle all of them effortlessly. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your plant nursery and just sit and relax as your WhatsApp is going to be handled by your chatbot. So I hope this chatbot is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free, so go and try it now for free today.